Hello everyone, my name is Shan, number metric 253625. I am going to present my research topic on profit maximization at Magic Hair Salon using linear programming approach. Hair salon known as a service sector that offer professional hair services for both men and women at every stage. Hair salon offer wide range of hairstyling services, which including professional hairstyling and hair texturing. This study focused on the operation of Magic Hair Salon, which located at Olasta, Kedah. Magic Hair Salon provide many types of hair services, which including haircut, hair wash, hair perming, hair dye, hair straightening, and hair treatment. Different services will be charged at different costs. Thus, the aim of this study is to obtain maximum profit by using linear programming approach. During this pandemic season, every customer should follow standard operating procedure. Thus, the number of customers entering the hair salon had been limited. This will cause impatient customers not willing to wait for their turns. Besides, some of the hair services will be more costly and less promotion compared to other salons. Therefore, the number of customers decrease will cause low profit of hair salon. The research questions for this study are: what is the mathematical model suitable in terms of maximizing profit of Magic Hair Salon? Second, what are the constraints regarding the services of the Magic Hair Salon? Third, what are the optimum services that could maximize profit of Magic Hair Salon? The research objectives for this study are: to determine the variables for the mathematical model of hair services of Magic Hair Salon. Second, to formulate a mathematical model by using optimization method to maximize the profit of Magic Hair Salon. Third, to determine the optimal services that could maximize profit of Magic Hair Salon. The aim of this study is to investigate the profit earning by Magic Hair Salon, which located at Olasta, Kedah. This study will be focusing on the cost and resources used of each hair services that provided by Magic Hair Salon. The operation time of Magic Hair Salon is from 10:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. every day except Tuesday. Next is about mathematical model development. In order to achieve the objective, this study implemented 5 phases of research activities. Phase 1. Problem definition. Identify the problem and review of literature. Phase 2. Data collection. The data is collected through primary data, which is interviewing with the owner of Magic Hair Salon. Phase 3. Formulate mathematical model. Formulate a linear programming model regarding the variables. Phase 4. Data analysis. Microsoft Excel is used to analyze the data, and Excel solver is used to solve and obtain optimum solution. Phase 5. Result and discussion. Interpret the result, and the result will be discussed and concluded. In this study, Microsoft Excel software is used to analyze the data for the hair salon. A linear programming model is formed in the Microsoft Excel in order to find the optimum services to maximize the profit of Magic Hair Salon. Excel software is used to solve the model and obtain the optimum solution. The aim of this study is to obtain the maximum profit of Magic Hair Salon. Thus, the objective function of the mathematical model is maximize profit. The decision variables are the hair services that provided by Magic Hair Salon. The assumption of linear programming model is assumed that there are 2 counters available for hair services. Counter 1 is for haircut and hair wash service. Counter 2 is for field hair services, which are hair perming, hair dye, hair straightening, and hair treatment. This is the model formulation. A linear programming model is formed in Microsoft Excel. The decision variables are the hair services, whereas the constraints are the resources used by Magic Hair Salon, such as hair shampoo, hair conditioner, color dye, electricity, label, and service time. After formulating the mathematical model, Microsoft Excel software is used to obtain the optimum solution. Set the objective cell, and by changing specific cell, add all the constraints and choose the simplex LP as the solving method. Next is sensitivity analysis. Based on the sensitivity reports for the range of visibility, the range for the right-hand side of a constraint where the shadow price remains unchanged. Shadow price refers to the amount of change in optimum objective function value per unit increase in the right-hand side of a constraint. Some of the constraints can reduce the cost per day to increase the sensitivity of the model. For example, the available decrease of shampoo and conditioner are 6.19 and 11.05 respectively. Let's say the daily cost of shampoo reduced from 10 ringgit Malaysia to 5 ringgit Malaysia, while the daily cost of conditioner reduced from 15 ringgit Malaysia to 10 ringgit Malaysia. The solution will still remain the same, therefore the solution is feasible. Based on the result obtained from Excel solver, the maximum profit per day of Magic Hair Salon is 980 ringgit Malaysia. In order to obtain the maximum profit, the number of customers for haircut service is 24, the number of customers for hair wash service is 5, the number of customers for hair perming and hair treatment service are 2, whereas the number of customers for hair dye and hair straightening service are 0. The service time for counter 1 and counter 2 are fully utilized, which are 510 minutes per day. This shows that the variables of X1, X2, X3, and X6 contribute meaningfully to improve the values of objective function. In general, the objective of this study were achieved. Linear programming is the suitable method used to maximize the profit of Magic Hair Salon. In this study, the optimum solution is solved by using Microsoft Excel solver. As a conclusion, the results show that Magic Hair Salon should serve 24 customers for haircut service, 5 customers for hair wash service, 2 customers for hair perming and hair treatment service in order to obtain maximum profit, which is 980 ringgit Malaysia per day. That's all from me. Thank you.